Today I'm treating someone very special to a spa day. My Roomba. For the last 4 years, my beloved Roomba leaves its dock and begins its job. Cat hair, crumbs, dust, it handles it all while navigating around furniture, venturing into dark spaces, and going where no one else wants to go. But lately, things have been a bit wonky. It often says the bin is full, even when it's just been empty. Plus, it doesn't hold a charge for very long. So today it's time to care for the one who cares for us with the full luxury spa treatment. Today, My Roomba is checking in for a full rejuvenation package. We'll begin with a gentle exterior cleanse. Turning the Roomba over, we see the caster wheel, which helps it swivel and change direction smoothly. Hair, fuzz, and debris can collect deep inside these moving parts over time, affecting the mobility and overall performance. Next comes detangling, which means removing hair, a lot of hair. The dustbin and filter have accumulated quite a bit since its last spa treatment. Tapping out the filter can help extend its life, but eventually replacement is the best option. Every surface gets attention, every crevice restored. Sometimes the smallest areas collect the most buildup. These charging contacts are especially important. This is how the Roomba returns home and recharges after a long day of service. A final air treatment helps clear out any lingering dust and debris. Dust buildup inside the housing can accumulate slowly over years of use. If your Roomba has ever rolled through something slightly horrifying, you may need to carefully clean each of these little grooves. The cliff sensors get cleaned as well. It's important to clear out as much as possible before sealing everything back up. Fresh rollers go in next. The ends are color-coded and shape-coded, so they only fit in one way. Even the bottom cover gets its own treatment. The dustbin gets cleaned inside and out. Apparently, we're not done finding dust. A fresh HEPA filter helps trap fine dust and allergens, giving Roomba and us a clean start. One by one, everything comes back together. Even the navigation camera gets polished up. Some fine detailing around the exterior, and she's looking better than she has in months. Finally, a fresh edge brush is installed. Cleaned, restored, rebalanced. All that's left now is a little time to rest. You take all the time you need. While the Roomba rests, let's not forget to spruce up home base. a fresh vacuum bag, and it's all set for a homecoming. Oh my God, she's beautiful. Yay. Restored and rejuvenated, the Roomba is back in action, tackling our messes once again. The systems are clean, the sensors are clear, and the battery now charges properly again. If you have a Roomba or other robotic vacuum, maybe this is your sign to give it a little spa treatment. Because sometimes the things that care for us need a little care too. Right, Roomba? Yes, you do. And you too. Right, big fella?